In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Monopoly Go account. So if you're using a guest account, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to recover it. This is only going to work if you have an account in Monopoly Go. So moving on to the tutorial, just go ahead and tap your menu to expand your menu and then click on settings. In here, select customer service. And it will now take you across to a page like this. So in here, you can press any of these articles, for example, customer supports. And from here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this article, and you're going to see a button which says chat with us. Just press that button, and it will open a live chat with an agent. So you can chat anything here, for example, what to do to recover your account, and then they will give you some few steps to recover your account. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.